Hey guys, what's up? Sunil here, and we have a very interesting thing to unbox today. I mean, it's new. If you guys are regular here, it's a helmet. Probably you can make it out by the box, looking at the box. So yeah, I was planning to upgrade to a new helmet because my old one is slowly dying. So went into market, got this helmet. It's a LS2 FF397. Yeah, you can see probably here the model number FF397 Vector helmet. This is towards the top end of LS2 road racing and touring helmets. So guys, LS2's flagship model for road helmets or racing or touring helmets is Aero FF323. That's a racing replica helmet used by their sponsored riders in MotoGP 2 and 3. And then comes the new helmet. It's basically a new launch in 2019 known as Challenger. That is probably on a second spot, and at the third spot come this helmet, the FF397 Vector. This is more towards touring and less towards racing. I mean, you cannot use this on track, and I will tell you the reason later why not. But then, yeah, it's a very good helmet. In India, it costed me just above 9,000 rupees. It's available at the price of 9,000 plus through various shops and online places. So yeah, before opening the box, if you haven't clicked on that red subscribe button, go ahead guys and click on that red subscribe button. So let's open this box. I mean, it's a medium-sized box, and the helmet is lightweight. I mean, there is a cutout to hold it for those who are interested in knowing about the boxes. It's clean. I mean, here you have the stickers telling about the model number and the color, and then rest everything is it's clean. Just pure LS2 branding, nothing else. Not much information about helmet or anything else. So we'll just open it, and then you get the helmet wrapped inside a helmet carrying bag, or so it's a nice quality bag. And you also get this, what is this, bandana or cap? It's a black cotton cap. That's something interesting. So yeah, you get this thing. Get some silica gel, and this is a Pinlock insert. I'll tell you guys about this later, so we'll keep this aside. Let's have a look at the helmet first. So guys, it's wrapped in this thermoplastic, and here is the first look of the helmet. It's a matte finish, white and black themed color. You can see is the top. Now the close-up of this helmet. So overall fit and finish of this helmet is great guys. The paintwork, the graphics work is phenomenal, and it's very premium. You will really like the graphics finish on this helmet. It's well done. There is no rough or scratchy parts on the helmets, and even the feel of the graphics is good. I mean, it's matte finish. This helmet is matte finish, but when you run your fingers on the surface, it is a very soft feel. I mean, it feels good in hand. So the material, the outer material, the paint is really good, and the graphics is done very neatly. It's really difficult to find any nitpicking here. So this is the inside of the helmet guys. You can see, I mean, here is the reflective material, this soft material which reflects the light for the safety. And then you can see here it's a double chin bar. So this is one, and then there is one inside. It's for better road noise cancellation. And inside you can see double liners. So overall, the pads, cheek pads and the liners are of really good quality, and they fits your head really well. So first guys, about the size. So I have got size large. I mean, my head size is between 58.5 or 6, so I normally get in between the size medium and large, because the large for this LS2 helmets is like 59 to 60 and medium is 57 to 58. So it's always a case with me. I mean, most of the helmet companies goes with this sizing only. It's a standard sizing. It's always been a case with me. I mean, I have tried to go with a medium, which is a little too much tight, or large, which is fit, but then over a time it gets to loosen up a little bit. But then here in LS2 the padding is really thick and nice, so it fitted me better than the medium size, so I bought the large model. Also to notice, in India, if you guys planning to buy here in India, the medium size LS2s are very rarely available. You got to contact to the main distributor, which is Laxmi Automobiles in Pune. You can get all the info online on LS2 website also about them, the phone number and everything. Still, I'll mention the contact details in description if you want a quick access. So you gotta contact them and ask them, I mean, which helmet models are available in medium size, because there are not many helmets available in medium size. They mostly keep large or larger sizes like XL and all. So the size, I mean, going by the company, the size of this helmet is basically long oval, so that's like the length is more and the width, I mean, is less. But to me, this Vector helmet, it's like more of like an intermediate oval, not the long oval. It fits my head. I mean, my head is more suitable to long oval, but then this helmet actually fit very good. So that's the size. I mean, for vents we have at the top, or we'll start from the next. So we have this chin vent, which throws the air inside towards your nose and face. So this is one vent. If you go at the top, we have a vent here. It circulates there over your head and at the back of your head. So this is one vent. And here is the exhaust slit, which throws out the hot air from inside your helmet. And here is slightly venturi effect also. I mean, you can read about the venturi effect online. So basically it creates a vacuum here, the design, and that also basically helps helmet release the hot air from inside. Wow. So this is not lot of vents, just 3 vents, 2 of which basically take the air in and 1 throws the hot air out. And guys, if you have not noticed yet, this helmet has inbuilt sun visor. So there is a drop down sun visor, and to operate that, here is the button. I mean, basically it's a wired mechanism. So you do this, I mean, it comes down and then you let go. It's very smooth, very light. I mean, it's a great thing. Then if I'll come to visor, it's a 3D optically corrected visor, Pinlock ready. As I said in starting, here is a Pinlock insert. So for all those guys worrying about fogging and all, probably those who are riding in cold conditions in mountain area or living in a very cold place, the visor comes with Pinlock ready, and they also give you the Pinlock insert. So it's a great thing. I mean, at this price point, getting all these features are actually a takeaway, guys. Big thumbs up to LS2 for bringing all these features at this price point in India. I mean, this helmet sells for around $210 in US or in Europe, I mean, equivalent price. But here in India, you're getting it for like roughly 9,200, which is actually cheaper, a lot cheaper compared to international market. So that's a good thing. So yeah, as I said, it's a clear visor, 3D optically corrected, so there is no distortion in view. And then you have this sun visor. It also anti-fog coated and UV protected, anti-scratch coated. It's a polycarbonate visor, so there is no doubt about durability. If we look inside the padding, I mean, we have this chin strap. It's a normal mechanism, not the double D ring. I mean, I like double D rings, but didn't get it in the price range. I mean, Aero has a double D ring, but then it misses out on few features which I wanted. For those of guys who wants to see me in helmet, here is the. I don't know if you've noticed, I mean, how snug fit is this? I mean, this is properly fitting my head despite being a large size. So this is how it looks, and if I give you a demo of this visor. This is how guys it looks. And quickly guys, I will show you the Pinlock insert. I mean, it comes in this polythene. So we basically use this system to fight fog. I mean, if you're living in India, the thing is when in winters, morning and evening, or even in rain, I mean, there is a fog issue in helmets. You can use these things. I mean, this is again very premium, as I said. It's really nice for LS2 to give so many things in at such a price point. I mean, it's hard to get so many things at this price point. So really thumbs up to LS2. So this is the Pinlock visor. I mean, it's an insert, so it basically you know put it. I mean, this visor is ready for this insert. You put this in your visor, and basically your helmet will not fog. So that is the thing. It's wrapped in protective cover, so that's why there's bluish tint. So this is it guys, this is your Pinlock insert. It's a very premium feature, remember, you're getting in this helmet. About functionality, I mean, LS2 says that it is aerodynamically designed and it's very stable at even high speeds, and in every type of riding it will be comfortable. So now that we have covered the look, size, fit and finish, let's talk about the most important thing, and that's its shell, which protects our head. So this helmet is made of fiberglass composite. LS2 calls it high performance fiberglass composite. It's really lightweight. I mean, this helmet is actually 1300 grams plus or minus 50 grams. So this is a large size, so it's actually 1300 grams. The XL comes at around 1350, 1360 grams, and the small size XS or small size comes at around 1250 to 1260 grams. So this is the large size, actually comes at 1300 grams. It's a tri-composite, basically fiberglass. Again, if you want to know more about what the fiberglass is, I'll not bore you guys. I mean, those who are interested can directly go to internet. It's a very easy search, just type fiberglass tri-composite and you'll know everything about the material used. I mean, there are 3 layers of fiberglass waves. I mean, they are bunched together to form a very strong, flexible, energy absorbing shell. So you can read more about that. It's a very premium, for those who want direct answer, it's a very premium material. I mean, after carbon fiber, this is the best shell for helmets. You normally find these type of helmets in like 10, 15, 20,000 rupees helmets. Even some very expensive helmets of Arai and Shoei use the same material. So yeah, it's good. And yeah, I didn't mention that it's a ECER 22.05 safety rated. So it's a European standard, which is at the top. I mean, if any helmet is ECER 22.05 rated, I mean, it's pretty good safety wise. I mean, you don't have to worry about anything. So it's ECER rated, not ISI or DOT, at least not the helmet. So yeah, keep that in mind for those who need the ISI tag. But then this is one of the world's best safety ratings, and I'm happy with ECER rating. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one more video where I'm gonna use this helmet, take my bike out, ride it, and will give you the actual feedback of its performance. I mean, how the vents are working, how the aerodynamics, I mean, high speed, low speed, city, is the vents are good enough to get our extreme heats, out of our head, or they lack something, is the visors are good, the vision is, I mean, the peripheral view is blocked or not. So everything I'll cover in the next video, where I'll wear this helmet, go on the road, test it, and let you guys know about its performance. So this is it guys, the unboxing, the first look of this helmet. If you want to know anything more about this helmet, do let me know in comment section. I'll try to reply to your comments and questions as soon as possible. So stay tuned, because in next video we're going to test this helmet on road. So I'll see you later, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and if you've not yet subscribe to this channel, go ahead guys, click on that red subscribe button and get ready to enjoy a lot of content in future. So I'll see you soon. Till then, take care, enjoy, ciao.